The typical user experience inside of Salesforce for activity management is to see the activity timeline. Now I'm on an opportunity record and I've got my activity tab selected here, and it's from here that you can perform traditional activities inside of Salesforce, such as logging a call, creating a new task, a new event, or sending an email. Now the activity timeline are those things that are upcoming and overdue, such as here I've got a quote that I need to send tomorrow, as well as completed tasks and activities such as a call that I logged previously today. This is the activity timeline. It appears below the activity tab where you can perform new activities. Now let's say that instead of the activity timeline, you wanted your activities to appear as a related list on your Salesforce record. You can do that by going into what is known as record page settings inside of Salesforce Setup. Now, I previously searched for record page inside of Setup, and we've got a record page settings screen here. And it's here that you can select either full view or grouped view. I've got group view selected in my org. Group view means that we've got our sections of our record grouped into different sections and tabs, and we've got our left 2/3 here for our activity management section, the right third here on our opportunity for related lists. But down below in record page settings, in addition to group view and full view, I have either activity timeline, that's the default activities view, and keep in mind that this setting is for desktop only. This does not relate to mobile. Now, if I wanted to change from activity timeline to related lists, then I could include open activities and activity history related lists. That would be those things that are open and upcoming, as well as things that have been done in the past. So I'm going to make this change and click save. We have our toast message here saying that the record page settings were updated. I'm going to go back into my opportunity here called a lead and refresh this to see this go from activity timeline to activity related lists. So now we do not have the activity tab here, but if you look at your related lists, if we scroll down, we have our open activities, and this is something that's upcoming and due tomorrow, and our activity history. Those are completed things that we have done. And then from here, you can click the down arrows to select a new task or a new event. And under activity history, these are completed tasks. You can send an email, and you can also log a call as well. And so that's how you can change from activity timeline to activity related lists. To toggle that back, you can just go back into record page settings, select activity timeline, click save, and you're back to where you were as far as the activity timeline. So if you found this Salesforce video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Also, please comment down below what you'd like to learn in Salesforce, and I might make that my next video. And until then, I'll see you in the cloud.